Hey everyone, this is Avi Harkishin. Let's take a look at SPY really fast. I wanted to do the indexes together like SPY, QQQ, and IWM and the VIX. So I'll see if I'm going to do that or not. Or some people just want it to be separate indexes because not everybody trade all the indexes together. So here is SPY. This is what I'm looking at. Um, let's go back and look at the Discord really fast. Let's see. So SPY going into Friday, I talked about downside and SPY, which I had was about 510 here, not 510, but between 512 to 475. That was the downside I have on SPY. Talked about the retest, which was all the way at the bottom here. Give me a sec. Let me just back. Okay. So this is Friday's post. So I update as I see new data and information comes out. I just update the chart. We take it one day at a time or 1 week at a time. So here on Friday, I talked about the volume price analysis, which we have a previous close and a downside. We have some sell off going in. Then on Friday, we had the same candle, same volume. So I was expecting the same sell off again. So I talked about this in the Discord and I said that I expect about 493 to 480 to get hit coming Monday or Tuesday. So I'm not comfortable going long and put the chart up. This here was a retest. I'm talking about this range here. I want to see a retest over here, and I think we're going to get that maybe Monday or Tuesday. So here we are sitting on SPY. So what I'm looking at for SPY is this retest level, which is 480 to 454. I want to see a retest of this same level that I talked about, which is the coordinate for this is 479 to 493. I think based on the volume profile, you can see 471, 472 get hit. Maybe Monday, Tuesday. I expect us to come down towards that 480, 454 if we fail to hold this level, which is 471, 469. If we fail to hold that level, we're going to slice through that volume profile and come to the bottom of 454. Very much possible we could get that if we don't find a bounce over here, at least for the micro short term. So now let's look at this really fast. I'm looking at the volume profile over here, and this is where I can see some sort of support level forming. If not, you slice through that 472 area, you're gonna come all the way down towards that 450 something. There's not much holding that, unless I'm gonna look at the data. Unless whales have set different various targets, and I'll see those data Monday morning once market open. Those data should be updated, so I wouldn't be able to look at those data now. And what I'm talking about are these data over here that I look at for the whales target. These are probably the old data. These are going to update because whales have that lower target, which is 500, and obviously they hit that target Friday. This was Friday's target. 505 500, and they hit that target. So coming Monday, they're gonna probably update these data up here over here. So that's what I have going into Monday. I expect, as I said, Friday, I expect to see about 5% downside to that 493 to 480 range. If we fail to hold that 480 range, your target is going to be 471, 472. You're going to come down to that target over here, right on that volume profile. If you fail to hold this shelf, you're going to come down to that 450 something, and you can slice through that target towards that target really fast. So you're going to expect to see either a bounce Monday, or you're going to see some really some more red. And believe it or not, you can see a 10%. Day 7%, 10% Monday, Tuesday. If you failed this level here, 480. So if you fail anywhere between 480, guys, where this volume profile is, that is 477 to 469. If you fail 470, you're going to come right down to 450 something. And you could probably see SPY within the range of 480 to 472, 468 trading Monday, Tuesday. And you may probably get a bounce to this level here. And if you don't, expect to come down towards that 458. So your level you're looking at for Monday would be 480 to 472. You want to see that level hold. You really want to see that 480 hold. If not, 470. So you're going to see 472 area. So that's the analysis on SPY going into Monday. I'm probably going to take a look at, let me see, VIX. I expect more upside on VIX, which I talked about. I don't think I have the analysis here, but I expected some more upside to VIX towards that 50 something dollar area. So I'm going to analyze VIX later, but that's for SPY, okay? Hopefully that was helpful. All right, guys. Again, Avi Harkishan from AH Charts. If you have any questions, you could just hit me up on my X account, my Twitter, whatever they call it. All right, later.